everyone, and welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the ultimate destination for exploring luxury homes, iconic architecture, and dream lifestyles. If you love seeing extraordinary properties and high-end interior designs, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because today's home is nothing short of spectacular. We're taking you inside an 11,631 square foot waterfront mansion, a true masterpiece of modern design, comfort, and style. This home is perfect for entertaining, relaxing, and living the ultimate luxury lifestyle. Let's start with a breathtaking drone view of the property. From above, the mansion's sleek modern architecture is immediately visible. The black, pink, and yellow accent colors give the home a unique, bold, and stylish personality. The landscaped gardens, wide driveway, and rooftop prayer area make it feel like a private resort. Bright daylight highlights every detail of the property, showing off the elegant symmetry, lush greenery, and premium construction. Now, let's approach the main entrance. The grand gate and wide driveway create a strong first impression. The modern design, elegant finishes, and attention to detail make it clear that this home is built without compromise. Step inside to a double-height foyer that immediately grabs your attention. High ceilings, premium flooring, and designer lighting create a grand and welcoming space. Sunlight floods in through floor-to-ceiling windows, making the lobby bright and airy. Moving into the main living area, you'll find a perfect combination of luxury and comfort. Black sofas with pink cushions, complemented by yellow accent lighting, create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The large TV wall and modern decor make this space ideal for family gatherings, relaxing evenings, or entertaining guests in style. The formal lounge is calm, elegant, and sophisticated. With natural light streaming in through large windows, it's perfect for hosting formal events, meetings, or simply enjoying a quiet evening in style. Next, we enter the chef's kitchen, a true centerpiece of the home. Black cabinets, a marble island, pink under-cabinet lighting, and yellow bar stools give this kitchen both elegance and functionality. High-end appliances and a professional-grade layout make it perfect for entertaining or everyday family cooking. Every corner is thoughtfully designed for convenience and style. Connected seamlessly to the kitchen is the formal dining area. A black marble dining table, pink upholstered chairs, and a statement chandelier create a luxurious space for family dinners and special occasions. This room is elegant, inviting, and perfect for hosting in style. The master bedroom is a private sanctuary. A black color palette with soft pink accents and warm yellow lighting makes the space cozy yet luxurious. Large windows provide breathtaking views of the water, filling the room with natural light and creating a peaceful, relaxing atmosphere. The master bathroom feels like a personal spa. Black marble walls, LED-lit mirrors, a glass shower, and a modern bathtub combine luxury and comfort. Every detail, from lighting to finishes, is designed for a 5-star experience. The mansion also includes a private gym, featuring modern equipment, mirrored walls, and black, pink, and yellow accents. It's the perfect place to stay active without leaving your home. For relaxation, the indoor swing area offers a cozy, aesthetic corner to unwind, read, or enjoy some quiet time. Soft lighting and thoughtful decor make it an inviting escape. Even the garage reflects the luxury of this home. Spacious, with premium lighting and polished floors, it's more than just a parking area, it's a showcase for high-end vehicles. This mansion is not just a home. It's a statement of luxury living. From the drone views to the interior finishes, every element is designed with elegance, style, and comfort in mind. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to American Dream Mansions. Comment below and tell us which feature of this home was your favorite. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for another incredible luxury property tour. Home Sparkles.